Hello. Proceed naman tayo sa presentation ng program. So, ang dito muna tayo sa user or client access, which is yung mga user na mag-a-avail ng services. Ano makikita nila pagbukas ng application is yung splash, is yung service finder, and then yung tagging, which is building better homes. Okay? So, makikita natin dito may sign in and then may sign up. Usually, na ginagawa is sign up muna, syempre. And then, makita natin is pre-filled na siya. Ang role niya is user. So, no need na maglagay ng occupation because that is only for service providers. So, click on done. Once na fill out yung information, and then uh, ilalabas na sign up success. Then, click na yung proceed. Then, sign in na tayo. Okay. Makikita natin dito sa user, pero book services, bookings, profile. So, punta muna tayo dito sa book services, yung unang-unang lang dashboard. Okay. So, pagka-click ng book services, meron dito lalabas ng category. Then, let's say, gusto natin ng air conditioning and cooling services. Then, click tayo ng subcategory. So, pagka-click ng category, meron tayong subcategory, which is yung cleaning, airs, and servicing air conditioning units, repairing air conditioner, refrigeration issues, etc. So, kunwari ito, repairing. Okay. So, click yung repairing, then lalabas yung mga recommendation ng service provider. Okay. Okay. So, since nandito tayo sa mga service provider, lalabas dito yung technician kasi technician uh, ang tawag sa gumagawa ng aircon, syempre. So, on the right side, makikita natin yung 5 stars. And 5 stars, which is yung ratings and reviews. So, makikita natin yan. Click natin si James Maniri. So, lalabas dito yung schedules na unavailable siya. Nandiyan na yan. And then, i-click tayo ng dates na pwede natin may schedule si James Maniri. Okay? And then, once na-pick na natin yung date, meron dito location, which is yung pin location mo as a user. So, lalabas dito yung location mo. Nakaset na yan. Hindi lang namin ma-integrate yung Google Map. So, pwede siya. Pagdating sa service provider, makikita ito, same lang. Ang location na to. So, yan, click on confirm, then booking successful. Okay. Then, lalabas dito sa bookings. Siyempre, ito yung mga booking history. So, lalabas dito, may tatlong status yung booking history. So, service confirmed, as ang waiting for confirmation, ito si James Padiri, yung ano lang natin kanina, ito yung waiting for confirmation pa siya from the service provider. So, din pa siya i-confirm doon sa uh, interface ng service provider. Then, meron dito another status which is completed. Yan yung tapos na services. Okay. So, click lang natin yan. Yan. Nakikita natin dito yung price. Service confirmed na. Meaning, waiting na lang tayo ng uh, pag-arrive yung service provider. Okay. And then, pwede natin i-message dito yung service provider just to get an update. Okay, so balik na tayo. Uh, then, click natin yung waiting for confirmation. So, wala pa nakaset na price and waiting for confirmation. So, yung completed. So, dito lalabas yung rating and reviews. So, makikita yan sa end ng service provider. Click on done. Then, yun na. And then last but not the least is the profile. So, dito lalabas yung information ng uh, user. Yan, at yan. And then sign out.